Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to teach you some really cool creative ways you can edit color in Lightroom. Let's go ahead and jump on my screen and get started. Here you can see we have an image open and I'd love to saturate the color of these green leaves. However, on the top, on the right side here of your editing panel, you can see we do have the option for saturation. Well, the problem is if we boost this up, as you can see, it saturates the entire image. But if we scroll down a little bit, let's reset that to 0. Down here on our HSL tabs, we can actually select only the green color, and that's going to be the only one that's going to be saturated. So if I click here on our eyedropper tool and just kind of hover my cursor over a green color, and you can see right here on the right side that the green channel is highlighted. If I click on that and then hold and just scroll up, you can see that now the only tone that's affected is going to be that green tone. This works really well when you're talking about skies or even just landscape photos. So for example, I can do the same exact thing here and actually alternate between two tones. So as you can see, there's some warm tones here and there's some cooler tones here. Let's say I just want to accentuate and really saturate the warmer tones. I could do the same thing. Make sure you're under your saturation here. Click on our eyedropper and we'll go ahead and click a warmer tone here. Click, hold, and scroll up, and as you can see, the only tones that are being affected in this image right now are the warmer ones. Now we could also do the same for the blues. Like let's say we come up here to the corner and I want to bring out the blues in the sky a little bit. I can also do the same by coming up here, holding down and sliding up. Now one other really cool feature is, let's say we want to change the color. We can actually come to our hue down over here, use our eyedropper tool, and essentially do the same thing. So let's say I want to click on her blouse here. I can go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, it changed it to a more darker royal blue color, which is really cool. This has helped me out actually a lot in a bunch of different photos where maybe a model is wearing a particular color, or maybe her nail polish is an awkward color that doesn't match her outfit. This is something very easy to do, very quick to just change that color to match something a little bit better. Now I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tip just to take your editing to the next level. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you did enjoy this video and if you have any specific topics in Lightroom or Photoshop that you'd like us to go over. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video. Peace!